In Easy Property Dealer app, you can set reminders to remember anything about your properties, deals or contact. To set reminder, first go to the reminders. Here you will see upcoming or expired reminder. To add a new reminder, click add new reminder. The reminder form opens in front of you. There are three ways you can add reminders. If you want to add a reminder regarding a contact, press select contact. Select your contact with the plus button. Select whatever your purpose is. Select the date of your reminder. Select the time of your reminder. Click OK and anything can be written as a reminder note. Save your reminder. Reminder has been saved. Click on reminder tiles to go to the reminder details. Now wherever you are, the Easy Property Dealer app will remind you about this reminder. Click add new reminder to add a reminder for the property. This time go to the property tab, press select property, select your property and select the date and time along with its purpose. Press save. Now this reminder has been saved with reference to your property. You can also add reminders by going to add new reminders, go to deals, pressing select deal. You can also add reminders through your properties, contacts and deals. So go to the properties. To add a reminder from the properties, open any property. Here you will see the reminder button. Your property is already selected. Now just select your date from here and tell the time. Save it. Your reminder regarding this property has been saved. Similarly, you can go to the details of your contact and press the reminder button to set a reminder regarding the contact. You can set a deal reminder to going to the deal and deal details page and pressing the reminder button. You can also edit a reminder with the edit button and delete it from here.